Today I'm going to show you how to submit a repair request using the RentRedi mobile app for tenants. To start, tap the repair button. Here you'll be able to see any previous issues as well as submit a new issue. To submit a new repair request, tap the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner. Here you'll be able to fill out a description and category as well as any notes you'd like to include for the maintenance request. You'll also have the option to submit a video with the repair request. If it's your first time submitting a request, you may have to enable permissions to allow RentRedi to access your camera. Record the video. The video will record for 5 seconds and then automatically stop. Tap Use Video to use this video or Retake to retake the video. Here you'll be able to review your maintenance request before sending. To send, tap Send in the upper right-hand corner.